You already know that video is taking over the internet, and you might have been thinking that if I could just know how to stand out on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram Reels or on Facebook, then I would do it. But here's the thing. To be able to stand out in the way that you absolutely want to, you also need to have a good foundation on the offers that you have and also know how to talk about your business. So while the Video Growth Playbook absolutely teaches you everything you need to know to stand out on video, for this Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Small Business Saturday, I wanted to bring something a little different. When you join the Video Growth Playbook, where you're going to absolutely get all the content you need for video marketing and your business, you also are going to get a 30-day business accelerator, where we are going to dive into all the things to help you really stand out in 2022. You don't want to miss this. So make sure you join the Video Growth Playbook so that you can get access to the 30-day business accelerator. Now, the Video Growth Playbook already comes with 6 months of a group program where you get monthly question and answer. We do co-working. You get all the updated content on all the video platforms that are ever changing, and you get all the content in the portal for life. But this 30-day business accelerator is making sure you have the foundation to absolutely make the most of all the content in the portal and on the calls. You don't want to miss it. Let's go.